If you're looking for a highly absorbable magnesium supplement, this Nature's Lab Gold Magnesium Glycinate 400 milligrams features patented Trax buffered magnesium glycinate chelate for enhanced bioavailability. This essential mineral supplement supports cardiovascular health, muscle and nerve function, energy production, and the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, and fats. Each bottle contains 120 capsules, providing a 30-day supply with 400 milligrams per serving. The formula promotes calcium absorption, bone health, and protein synthesis while being free from artificial colors, GMOs, salt, gluten, sugar, and magnesium stearate. It's made in the USA in a CGMP certified facility. This unflavored capsule makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The supplement helps address magnesium deficiency, which affects over 70% of Americans due to soil depletion and dietary factors.